Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
So much Anthony for passing through. So we have one more song to go with welcome
Don't look too far. What you want? 16 double? 15? No, you don't have 15, but I'm going to
Just one. That's got. No, I get one. I can't pass me. Beverage time. I know, I was busy. Sorry.
Don't cry out in the street. Don't cry.
Everything right? We have coconut chutney today.
Everything. Big up. One grab a belch. Half a belch. I need to belch. 1 sec, I got to belch. Hello, Mel.
Get us to market love, Kiko. Hi, Kiko.
Marie, open it.
Alright, so come on.
Yeah. Man, late run. 7. So you suggest for your herbal man?
Well, she loves the bitter, you know, because she knows the bitter is better.
Yeah. What is sweet for your mouth is bitter for the liver.
Yeah, let him say.
Yes, and what is
Sweet
bitter
to the mouth and bitter to the belly.
And what is bitter for the mouth is sweet for the liver. Yeah. So these are the answers.
Blood purifier.
Yeah.
Mine finishing about my gun how much weeks now with
Yeah, man, so tell you again, take a break again.
Take a break now. 7. So alright then guys, so you know so we can take a break after purifier because I literally been on it for like a good month now. A good month now I've been on the blood purifier, you know, purify the blood. Hey guys, you know what happened yesterday? Trust me, I went to a new spot. They sell plant-based. You know, and I went and tried the black beans burger. And trust me, there was something off about the burger when I tried it. I'm telling you, that pinned me down on the toilet for the whole day. Literally, you know, pinned me down. You know, literally, I never expect that. Literally pinned me down. Been a while, you know, what's up with that? You know. But yeah, they give me some charcoal. I have to use the charcoal because that's good as well for diarrhea and everything. I don't know what I go on with the black beans there. You see, I can't recommend the place. A good thing I never video record it, you know, because you say me have tested first, you know, because I saw it come across on my Instagram. I'm like, okay, let me try this place. It's new. But trust me, new, it wasn't good at all. Never good at all. You know, so yeah. Oh, more is here. You know what? So one plant-based place come across me Instagram. This time I'm gonna check it out.
You gonna check out the item place?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a black bean burger, but like something about the sauce.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm not tell you because I'm not recommend it. And they pinned me down on the toilet all day yesterday.
The burger.
Yeah.
South Avenue, you get it?
I not tell you which part, cause boy, I not really bring them down like that.
Oh, we not bring down the body.
Yeah, but once I talk, I don't want them to have an idea.
I can eat the burger, but get constipated.
I mean, I tell you, say, yeah. From the night, in the night, I feel it, me like, whoa, for the whole night and the hours. And then I get up today, but a good thing you have the charcoal. You just go and sip on some of the charcoal. Then you want kind of help me.
We're not tearing down the body.
No appetite to eat.
He's doing some stuff.
Right now, liquid, if you have mess with it.
More liquid though, yeah.
Buy a whole melon and blend it.
Yeah, can have some juice.
No, buy the whole melon and blend it with your sea moss and squeeze a lime and replenish back your cell and drop a little Celtic salt in it.
Yeah. I mean, to make people buy this, I like me could even eat it.
I'm going to get one of this shot and tell us, good. You don't need nothing to be true. Liquid. Liquid food.
That's the sip, right?
Yeah, that's the sip.
Yeah, I want one right now because now like, I eat nothing from there. I try to eat food, I'm no appetite.
Guys, just run now. Your GI is track and your
you get it, man? Yes, I did.
What happened?
no, I say right now what's happening is stomach wall kind of get sore and GI track get compromised and weird such.
Yeah.
You don't want to work them weird.
Yeah.
Just so you have a feeling that you don't want to eat because it's overwork.
Pure water. But in time there's pure water.
That's a pain I tell you this right now. I know anywhere to eat.
Yeah.
And I said, sometimes it appears that somebody establishments healthy things. But there's different level
of health, right?
You have to do away and go home.
Yeah.
And I said to the men, so we have to be careful.
Yeah, trust me, guys. Like literally, I saw the place pop up on the Instagram, so I said, let me go and try it. You know, when I went there, I had it early in the day, so it was the only thing I have. So when I get home, I was thinking about having a smoothie. But at the time I was editing, but that feel different already, because it was the only thing else for the day. Whenever I think about it, intuition, I feel like say, this happened to me.
You have to eat and give gratitude, man.
Yeah, and trust me, and that pinned me down on the toilet, guys, literally.
What you said it was what you had?
It's like a black bean burger, but have some sauce in it. And the sauce, the kind of taste kind of off to me.
Sauce got a spoil.
Yeah, I mean like, no, something never right. And literally,
I don't want to show the things. Them spoil, you can show them.
Yeah, no, what go on guys, because we could even recommend that place, I'll tell you where it is, but it's even about.
I'm a vlog. Yeah, vlog.
Yeah, we have vlogs, and I say, yo, John,
The
whole day.
We're not going to talk about them. Hopefully them see it and change it. You know, throw away the spoilage them.
Yeah.
You can't feed people spoiled food. See, sometimes we say it's not all money is good money.
True.
Hey, that's what you already know. Last never eat fish, you know. Over glorious. They say don't call me.
Never have no appetite, you know, I try to eat something to that, like, I try, like,
you have to allow the body, the stomach wall come back.
And a good thing, we have the charcoal. The charcoal I add in the hours of the night and then add it again, today again. You know, it kind of help me, you know, the charcoal, because I realize it's a diary and it has weight on everything. Help me.
Diary is good, you know, that means you eliminate. You have to replenish back with the buy a whole melon. Yeah, now water, and just dig it out and blend it. And your lime, and your sea moss, and like a Celtic salt. And you that again, and you're alright. Yeah, you have to put it back in there, you know, replenish back yourself.
Yeah,
man.
That's why I never come here. As good as a good thing is right there today. I came as well too. So I said the sip. Yeah, I'm gonna drink some of the sip, you know.
Yeah, man, drink a sip, man, guys. This is a food. This is a meal.
Food. Guys, I forgot to have the sip right now because I have nothing for the day. Alright, Mel, I'm gonna try one. one plant-based food people see on Instagram, and it take me down.
I get some coconut.
Yeah.
Where did you go?
Well, I don't even want to say.
Alright, you see.
But it take me down.
It's so hot, it will burn you.
Guys,
You want to eat this one then?
that place and then take me down.
I think I'm going to take you down.
Yeah.
It's a bathroom?
What?
Oh my God, what was it?
I had a black bean bread, but them have some sauce on it and stuff, you know, like.
Take you down.
Take
oh
me
my
down.
God. One detox.
Yeah.
Call it detox.
Detox, hey, listen.
I got your wine, don't worry.
Yes.
I got you some wine, Kino.
Alright, so I'm gonna have some sip right now.
Yeah.
Guys, so this is the only thing I'm gonna really have for the day, mate. You know? So half back.
Tell them that's Basida bar.
Half back. Sip food.
This is me?
You want to come?
What's that?
It's been a little birthday.
Let's see what about him
Serious thing, yeah. I have to be consistent, man.
I sleep around that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes.
I need it.
Shoot that.
Clean up
Tomorrow
when Pino get a
shoot.
child. When Pino decide to get a child, I'm say I want super picnic.
Don't it.
Super child.
The next one I'm gonna get is a super.
Listen, one super baby, make it a power baby.
That's how we name.
When born with all the teeth there, man, all them stuff.
I'm gonna name him Super 7. You're a Super 7 in the name.
Taste is not.
Right.
The same thing is that look different, you know.
You know me, that guy, right?
It just,
I love my doubles. And I came, I buy the doubles, and there's no appetite for me to eat the doubles. None. None. So you must just imagine how I feel. You know, I can't even eat the doubles. Yeah, I eat nothing like the food just have no appetite. So now I have to try this.
Slim down.
Yeah, slim it down even more. Like when I see food. From them? Is it from them?
Carpool. Next time that happen. Hey, Empress, how you doing? Next time take charcoal. Take a whole 2 spoons of charcoal, throw it in some water and drink it.
That's what I did.
Really?
Yeah, I did that charcoal. Yeah, it calm me.
Yeah. 50 per stick.
So yeah.
Yes, sir.
Message to Chargy. Yeah, message to Chargy. You know, because he's out now.
Charge it out.
Yeah.
Charge it.
Because everyone said, them see, oh yeah, bring him back. You know, them see the product work and you bring him back. But then now you go back to the bad of it now, we take him back to where he was coming from.
Back to square one.
Yes.
Back to square one.
You know, bless. And that's what it costs when time to go back to the old habits.
And I say you just miss a virgin yellow. You know, same thing. Foot heel up and thing, and we say yo, yellow, don't go to the bad habit. Just stay with me for a little bit.
Yeah.
Until you out of the red, because we have to charge you. But even though him look good and everything, he was still in
the red same
in the
way.
red same way.
Okay.
You know, this is the thing, you know. Might look good outside, but inside, still healing.
Yes.
When you get a cut, it's the same thing.
Yes, the outside might look ill, but the inside
you know, it can take all a while
yes,
to heal certain wound.
Understand.
So, charge it. You have to realize this. If you're going through, you had that issue for how much decades,
years,
you know,
yeah.
it's not gonna go away in a couple of months. And you know, this is the next thing where we are trying. That's why even my YouTube page, I'm trying to get people to realize you have to change the way you eat.
So tell them, as you talk about that, tell them about your YouTube page.
Heal thyself 101.
Heal thyself 101.
Yeah, because we have to let people heal themselves. Shaji can heal himself. All them just need me for guiding. You know, all these herbs right here is a guide.
Yes,
but the rest is up to you, the being. Your discipline, your willpower. Very important. How consistent and committed you are.
Yeah.
So you can't say, oh, we feel good today because we drink a tonic and then we drink rum tomorrow.
No work. That no work. That no work.
You see, let me tell you something. You see, when you leave things in the back, just don't look back.
Don't look back.
Once you're on green grass, man, just keep stepping on green grass. Why you want to go back to them to dry grass?
True.
And this is what, over the years of my observation, a lot of people, them going good and then feel comfortable and feel like they can go back to the old ways. That don't work, people. If you spend 50, if you have 50 right now, from your 48 years, I eat rice and flour and I eat yam sugar. I never hear anyone say them cry like but you give them some healthy thing. We recommend you tell them cry like that.
Yeah, it's true.
See, but for 40, you have 50 and for 48 years,
Yeah, eating
you eat
the
the
rice.
same thing.
Yeah. True.
See, this food was bred out of necessity. And when we say necessity, meaning that our foreparents was forced on
Forced
us.
onto them.
See, just give them some sugar, high carb, for go and work the field.
Yes.
That's all it is, you know?
Yeah.
And then we come and then we inherit these things and think it's a
Generation carry it on.
Generation carry it on. And this is why we think it's these diseases are genetics, but it's not really genetics.
Generations.
See, habits.
Habits, yeah.
That's what it is. So if you allow people don't know bulgur. People don't know about quinoa. People don't know about couscous. These alternative, the wild rice. People don't even know about wild rice.
Yeah. I've seen the wild rice, but I never tried it as well to myself.
Very nice.
Tastes like rice and peas when you cook it.
You just had some. Look at the Jamaican grapes with the seed.
One me give you no quinoa. One.
See,
Jamaican grapes?
yes.
One me giving you quinoa. One.
See,
Some quinoa. One I get.
this is Jamaican grapes.
That's Jamaican.
Hey, antioxidant. Look on it.
Jamaican
Small and
grapes.
it's talawa.
Yeah. Little and talawa.
See, that you need, the thing that you need right now in your body, straight in your bloodstream.
Man, good. Little and talawa.
Yes, but we have to love the always. See, one day my sister have a conversation and she said, boy, she find herself, she cook like mom. She said, but why I can't change? You know, she said all these here, rice and peas, Sunday and all these things and chicken. She said, but I can't change.
One day.
One day we can cook something else. See, and it's important. We know, say, alright, a lot of our parents never, they didn't know better, they didn't have much alternative. But now,
I guess yours solid.
We have choice.
yeah, man, we have to pull it for choices.
We advance now.
We advance. See, now breadfruit to grow high. Jamaican people now name breadfruit flour. If you don't want to make dumpling, they use some breadfruit flour and make dumpling. See, very important. See, there's a lot of pumpkin flour out there now.
Yeah.
See, so you have virgins out there where you have cooked things to eat or yam.
Yeah.
See, you don't have to stop yam the whole things and we have cooked. Stop chickpeas flour, one of them. See, lentil, all of that.
Yeah.
See, for one, you have circulation issue, you can't yam rice. Stop yam rice and I bet you say, yo, your
Circulation improve.
cut out rice. Plus them rice have a lot of plastic. See, fillers. Same thing with the flour, all these things, anything that come out of certain country, it tamper with big time.
Big time.
Food is not the way it used to be.
True.
So,
Watching you.
It's even worse now.
And a little more
It's
education.
even worse.
100 times.
100
So that's why you
times.
see people will get sicker quicker. When we say quicker, younger. See, youths are 80-year-old have diabetes. Me I tell you that. See,
Can you deal with them patients?
same way. See, you have to come in the light and just leave the old things them. See, when we was small and people carry candy from foreign and give us head, them say them do good thing and we smile. But they themselves didn't know them. I kill them, I kill them. See, but that just show you how people, your wife feed you to death or your husband can feed you to death. And a lot of the women them to them have to change them ways. See, so them have to cook big food, yeah man. No. You have to start educating myself and say, yo, I'm a partner for live long. So I go find out for the best.
True.
Prostate issue is real. See, we talk about the fibroid is real. The breast cancer
is real, yeah.
So I want to leave these things. See, look on it, diabetes is like an epidemic. Nobody not talk about it like COVID. Yeah? It should be talked about like COVID. It's a mindset, brethren.
It's true, true.
People that take a bag of caps, a bag of pill, like it's normal. It's not normal.
It's not normal.
So you get up and take 50 pills a day. That's not normal, bro.
And nothing not changing.
And nothing not changing.
Keep on a refill them, a refill.
And you keep cussing the doctor, but you're even more stupid. See? Because if you're using something and it's not working, it's not the person who's giving it to you, it's you who's taking it.
Yes, I.
See? Should know, say, hey, this is a fluke. See? So, we have to lift up our vibration, man. See? And just recognize and know. Very important. Go back to nature. Mama Nature want you. Mama Nature can help you. Only Mama Nature can help.
That's the best way.
See, that's the best way. That's the only way right now. See, come up out of the blouse and skirt gutters.
Yeah.
Go in and the green.
That is it. Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Chargy, I hope you listen and hope you hear what I go on.
Chargy, you have to come back on road again.
Yeah.
Trust me, I'm going to send you some more. But Chargy, I'm going to say, Chargy, take the thing serious. I'm going to rate you as a big saying. Remember me telling us again, I said, Chargy, if you live.
Yeah, if you live.
Chargy deserve to live, so.
Yeah.
Chargy, I want you to live. See, so just listen to when me I tell you. I tell you, say, hey, cut out smoking, cut out drinking, allow the dirty food, see, and just go back to nature.
Sure.
See, get the blood flowing again, brethren. Get the kidney and get the liver and the pancreas and the gallbladder working.
Yeah.
See, don't contribute to your own limits, brethren.
Sure.
See, you have a lot of people love you, a lot of people want to help you. See, so help heal thyself.
That is it, yeah, heal thyself. Come see you have 1 and 2 persons coming for check you, you know, so I make a deal with them, you know. Yeah. So Chargy, you are going to just follow the protocol, you do the right thing, you know. As Yaya say, you need to live, you know, so just do the right thing, guys. So it's so happen, but at least I'm eating healthy, but still that new place lick me down with them spoiled things.
To get blocked in.
So I just had this, you know, I feel much better right now. So yes, the sip I work already. The sip kick in, you know, so best of luck, guys. Anything say, yeah, number is there on the screen. As I say, you can reach out, you can contact him. If you try and you don't get him, you can leave a message, and if no reply, still you can try again. You know, don't give up, because he's a man who really busy himself, but never give up. Just continue to try till you get him. You know, so but he will definitely try to really get back to you. He will. Just stay tuned and don't give up. Don't give up. Health is wealth. Trust me, health is wealth. So, like when I get detox already, I don't need no more detox. Because I food a detox me, you know. After 1 day detox, I'm good now. I don't need no more detox. Because the black bean burger that detox me today. Yesterday, today. So, no good now. So this is the nature's bioenzyme. It's for charging. So this is 2 before, 2 after a meal, right? Once a day.
Once a day.
So 2 after a meal. For charging.
can choose him meal.
And
this will help with what? Regulate the
Regulate the pressure and
the metabolism.
sugar. Yeah, man. Say, and also good for the kidney too, because as I say, him have kidney issue. Once him have high sugar.
Yeah.
You know, diabetic for so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Definitely, the kidney get compromised.
Okay, so this is 2 after a meal, once a day, and well.
Hey, honey girl. Mama beer almost done here till Mama beer is like right there.
I'm going to clean it again.
Mama beer is right there.
See, guys, I'm going to start back again. This is the colon cleanser. This is 1 go, right?
Yeah, man, 1 go. See, 4 hours after the last meal.
4 hours after the last meal in the night. 4 hours after the last meal. Colon cleanser. So guys, so charge basically have to go start all over back again. You know. So he will take this before him start on these, right?
Yeah, I would love him to.
Okay, so the colon cleanser is the first thing gonna start on. So the following day him can start on this.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but this first thing in the morning.
Alright, keep him down.
Blood purifier.
And the no detox, you know.
No,
The first thing.
yeah. That's my spot. That's my spot. Yeah, my spot. That. Yeah,
I can't spot, man.
my spot. And the noon.
Viewers, them call and say, I don't want to go. I must spice the
Yeah.
brother.
So noon detox as well too.
Yeah.
So noon detox are the same thing. First thing. Yeah. First thing.
We need to, Shakira, we need to go.
Oh, me one as well. Alright, so the noon detox now. Where am I gonna work with this?
Remember the measurements, right?
Measurement, yeah.
Somebody on your phone making a lot of sound. Can take it out.
Measurement has changed.
So the first thing is gonna start with the colon cleanse.
4 hours after the last meal.
So the next day, him can start on these one.
Yeah, man. The next day, 1 shot at 1 cup of this. 1 cup of blood purifier. First thing to your mouth.
In the morning.
Same thing with the
So 2 of them first thing in the morning.
First thing in the morning.
And then this now after a meal.
After a meal, take 2.
Okay. Alright guys, so you see, so that is it. So yeah. I start back charge it all over again because him reset back himself, gone back to the old habit. So this is what's gonna happen right now.
Clean them out and
Starting back over again. So yes.
yeah.
So guys, so that's the mission right now, you know. So let me say, yeah, starting back over. Because I'm kind of, you know, remess back everything. So the colon cleanse is gonna first thing is gonna have 4 hours after a meal, you know, which is at in the night before him go in bed. You know, and then now in the morning now when he get up, he's gonna have 1 of these, right? 1 cup of this,
1 cup of
1 cup of the blood purifier, you know, and also 1 cup of the noon detox also at the same time. And then now the nature bioenzyme support, this is gonna have this 2 of them, the 2 capsule, right? 2 capsule after a meal, you know, which is.
And also make sure you take it for 3 to 4 hours away from any pharmaceutical drugs that you might.
Yeah. So all of these, you know, so away from it.
Yeah, man.
So 3 hours away.
From 2 to 4 hours.
Okay. Alright then, so these things gonna be taken after 2 to 4 hours away from any pharmaceutical drugs he's taking. And you name drugs.
People get hyper.
Yes. Alright then guys, so what is that? Ufa oil?
Kana.
You get high and I get
But I take too
high.
much one time. Never hear some the other day, take it? You never tell me.
Yeah.
What was it?
Rasta man, what go on? Yeah.
What's up?
I'm there, man. What go on? What you have?
You know everything as usual, man. You know not everything.
Which is right.
Yeah, man. You know fish there a while.
Yeah.
Lobster there kind of season.
It's an inner season now. Then. Oh, nice parrot, you know. Oh, nice parrot.
So they stay there. Really hard it is. It's too big, what? That's too big.
No, one. How the biggest that you have?
Not big than him.
They are bigger than him?
You miss a going straight out in the States.
Oh, I'm big one, man.
They not big. So they big, you know.
Guys, you know the thing go to them here at Elcha. You know, at Cab Rise, you know, the thing that Elcha do there at Cab Rise, you know, it's my regular spot.
Rogo the chef.
Yeah, and the Rasta man, Rogo the chef, you know, the thing go, you know.
Eh?
You know, here's where I usually come, you know, and grab myself one of these swing around, you know. So give me one of them one day. So right now I feel like to eat a swim around today, you know, so I come check Rogo, the chef.
Yeah.
So I'm going to start out for me.
Right now. So let's go and fry up, man.
Festival and thing.
Anyway, you want to buy me?
No, not buy me, just with the festival and thing. Just with the festival we do today. It's been a while I not come across.
They look up at what day, I wonder, oh, I not so long, I say, I want to read that go on. So you think I said that's...
Busy out, man. You know think I can work, you know?
Oh, I not see a thing.
I lie. Now pop up as well to my earphone. You don't see that pop up.
Oh, everybody think.
And you don't see mine. You know what go on. I saw sometimes YouTube.
I see African thing, I see whole thing there.
You don't see mine.
I see nothing for your virgin. God, man. Every night, most of them have TikTok with the pan straight, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to night, I might be the pan.
You don't mind up on YouTube.
Don't YouTube, me up on YouTube on my TV, man. YouTube, me use on my TV, you know. So, I want them to check in on YouTube. Then I still do something on the back road. A video on there.
Okay.
You know, fast one up. What I buy is the joys, man. City.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, man, I was. As you would, I was just have to leave him look up. You know?
For blaze
look up, men still keep him blazing, you know? As you would, yeah. Yeah, man, when you're ready and come back, man, you can go and go take peace out.
Come to Daddy Iris. Been a while I haven't seen Daddy Iris. Still there?
I want him to say me do something can come here and I'm but two me say me never run no vibes in it.
Yeah.
So me I say, right, if the man you want to give a link I want to power.
Yeah, me give him a link.
Yeah, I fish ready by that time.
Come on, come catch a fish a fry and them thing there. That I want to catch it as well too.
Alright.
You know, I want to catch it. So what kind of other seafood are different from the fish and the lobster? Just the fish and the lobster alone?
You know, we have shrimps too.
Oh, shrimps. What kind of shrimps you know?
Yeah, man, sea shrimps. White one, they get the curry and garlic or fried. Anyway you want.
Okay.
Come now, the conch band, so we're not too leaving no conch thing, because that band that's out of the distance. But they're from banding, so we're not touch the part. That's out of the list for the seafood, you know.
Okay. So you hear that guy, them conch is banned, so we can't get no conch.
Nah, get
no conch at all.
No conch at all. You know, that's some people's favorite food that.
Well, I get the conch right now.
Curry right now, mad. I get the brown sugar, steam, and roast.
Yeah. That's sweet, I know.
Yeah,
So I just work with the fish and everything. You know, the fish and the festival today.
And the fish?
Sorry, never a bigger man than this.
A bigger fry than the one I did.
You more you don't come here now.
Hey, I'm putting this on here.
Put one small one there for go with it. I'm not telling you that one for go with it then. I don't know why I feel like to eat a lot today, you know?
Yeah, man, I have to take the egg.
Yeah.
The egg that the thing.
Yeah. Keep for go hard. So now I make a walk say Mr. Daddy Harry.
Yeah, don't take too long. Take 5 minutes and come.
5 minutes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go wash the fish
And seasoning. Oh, the bar up and running. Classic look, you know. The bar settings of the place. Hello, mommy, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. So it's a bit rainy season right now, so you know you're not gonna find many people over here and things. No, this is what's going on. This is where you can have your swim and thing, you know. But you know it goes already. Quiet there, beautiful, overcast, you know, no rain and thing, but overcast. Set up like this. So this is what a quiet El Shadia look like this. Sweet. I don't know. I get up today and I just feel like to come by El Shah and eat a fish. You know, eat one of those swimming, and that's all. You know, sometimes you wake up and you feel to add something different. I just feel like to come over here and have one of those fry fish for the festival. You know, El Shah get known for its food right now. You know, it's not so much of the swimming like one time. You know, because you know the hurricane they come mash up the place, but it's known now. You know, for food. You know, so you know, come over here, you get the best set of a fried fish, you know, seafood, any way you want it. But you know what I mean, I don't like change up my spots too much. Can you see I changed my spots the other day? Like leopard, I used to walk into me. You know that thing go already, so I cannot make that happen again. So I just always try to stick to where I know everything is mutual. You know, over here things is mutual right here, you know. So at least it's not raining, it's overcast and thing. So he's gonna sort out the fish, you know, season it up, wash it and thing, but also I wanna go and give Daddy Harry a check because it's been a while I haven't come this side, so you know I'm gonna see Daddy Harry for the longest while. So take a check and see what I'm going with him and everything, you know. So, so this is what ultra water look like. See where that the area going with that thing. Rastaman there as usual. Rastaman. Man, always I sell him stuff them here on the beach. Years him always get here. Never leave. You know, the last time I promised myself so I was going to try a different spot, and I still never do it. You know? Music. Yeah. Where am I going with? Where am I going with? I'm going to take the piece out of here, though.
I'm a producer. Watch the video, man. You see the
You're a producer? Yeah.
Why you want to beat them?
Yeah, me want to beat them. So, see,
Lifestyle moment, guys. You see it?
Yeah. The artist.
catch your ears.
In this one, man. So now you're a producer and you're an artist. You're an artist?
No, I'm an artist, man. You ready, you know?
Yeah.
No, me.
Yo, Vani, them believe no, man.
Yeah.
Yo, Jonas.
Talented. Yeah. Young talent. You have it. Who type beat this? Where did I say this fit? Which artist?
Come here, I'm strong. One I said my last man. Oh, what I say? Skipper.
Skipper.
Dark type, you know.
Yeah.
Muslim type beat.
Come here, a ladies type.
Yeah.
Have a ladies type one?
No, I film phone this.
Oh.
The phone I did send him.
Oh, so a ladies type one?
I'm build no freedom, man. No. Girls type. Dark type, no type.
So which platform them can find you and to check out your stuff?
Yo, Vani. W-O. Remember W-O-Y-O-V-7-N-I-I.
Yo, Vani.
Yeah.
So them can come see the work and so on.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah. Well, you know, I get used to it because I'm going to bust big in the business because I really mad with it, you know. I talent. So anyway, I think of.
Believe.
Yo, Van. Yeah? Soon, man. Soon. Yeah? Big up. Yeah, run. You too. Keen life in Jamaica. Eh? Yeah. From America? So Villa. Eh? So see? I shall go watch and see you. At the one league one. So Villa.
I watch your channel.
Alright. You see that? Small world. That's Sevilla nephew. You know, Sevilla from the Overcomers. You know, that's our nephew there. So you see, small world. Look at that. Sevilla, you see the talent is there. So big up yourself, Sevilla. The Overcomers. You see that? Look at that. Just running our nephew, not knowing that, yo, that's our nephew and thing, you know. So that's how you have to know how you're living out there. You have to live good and live love for everyone.
Kino.
Aha,
One Kino, man.
Kuna man.
Body,
Kuna man, general.
Change town.
One
you
love, man.
Kuna man. One Kino, man.
One love. Kuna man.
Code is life, you hear that?
Yeah.
We out here, man.
And I one love,
yeah, man. Subscribe to the dog thing, you hear that?
Yeah.
Believe, I really you hear that?
See there?
All
big
right,
up yourself,
that is it, man. Believe.
Yeah. Yes, guys, I'm saying I have to live with love. Because you see that? Sevilla. Daddy Irie, know, it's been a while. Check and see. Well, Daddy Irie place look different. Looks smaller. Changes. Daddy Irie.
Yeah, over there.
Over there. The entrance look different. The place change up. Place look change up. Daddy Irie. We can enter see me? Eh? Oh, am I there? Oh. What do I say? Am I there? Oh, am I... Irie. Daddy Irie. Daddy Irie.
Who that?
What go on? You didn't hear me call you, man?
Me one name, you know. Blow. Mommy, you want to hire me, I say.
Who that?
Hire me here, so I come here, come. Yeah, man.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm a long time I don't pass through, come here and check, you know?
You know, say what day me call your name, man. I say, oh, Kino come link me, man.
Long time you know see me though.
Oh,
how's
I
everything?
say, we gone 1,000 at the panny, but me not be, watch time, no the day.
Oh, so you have to put in the watch time, forget it. So you have to make longer videos then.
So, what me go do? What me go?
Make some long videos.
What we can do it live, you help me see me?
Yeah man, but you have to make long videos. You know them videos that we have to make like over 20 minutes.
no many long. If me I do it live, it work out here?
No, you have to make video. Make the videos them. Like just like I normally walk and make video. That's the one that me have to make. I make them like over 20 minutes. So you can build up the watch time. Yes, probably you not make enough video and you make them short.
That's a problem.
Yes, because you need the 4,000 watch time. You have the subscribers them, but you need the watch time now.
Me have 1,600 and...
Yeah, see? So you need a watch time now.
It's almost gone 700 and now.
That's right, you check them come here and watch a pre-me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Glad to see you in the kino, man.
Yeah, man, cool, man. Hey, you never know saying us a smaller or me too tall.
No go to do ya, son. No.
Yeah.
Shut out the door, man.
Hey, that's right, in the small, you know.
Yes.
I see your man, they come over here and give you strength.
See, my virgin them, when them send up my help me clean up there, but me afraid that they dirty frog them.
Frog in there?
Sometimes they in there.
Oh, in here, so.
Can you buy one stove?
Oh, that stove, yeah.
And I get some plate, and I get food.
Yeah, so in the small, guys, you know me as a man, I was watch a walk, yeah. Oh, me.
Me look a bit and short.
Yeah, and daddy, I look at me have to come in here. We can't stand up straight.
Yeah, so I just done cook some food.
What? How will you cook?
Seasoned rice.
What?
Team there?
Seasoned rice. What you mean?
Yeah.
You got that? Fish night?
Chicken. Me tired of fish now. Me eat fish till me know it's a bone. Them have a problem with me, you know.
Oh, the fish bone? You say you're supposed to know how to deal with fish bone, man.
Sometimes when you're hungry like you.
Yeah, just was
you know easy. Sometimes you're hungry, but you're not pay what go on.
I give you a change, man, because I know a long time I don't say so.
Blessing, man. Because I got church to go and give them one little change there.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm glad for this. More blessing to you, my brethren.
Cool, man.
Yeah,
you can buy yourself a drink.
Yeah.
You know?
So, you see this way you give me? I give them $1,000 out there.
Oh, you give them $1,000 out there?
Yeah, because we're going to have a little thing. Something pertaining to the
church thing?
Church, something.
But it's good though, you always at church though, Daddy.
Yeah.
You know, because it's been a while, I know a lot of people don't see your face and I say, you know, how is Daddy Irie?
Enough church sitting me do, you know. But them I say, if you do little cooking,
yeah,
and a little wood chopping and me.
Them type of video there is good for you.
Video up on the beach about sometime and I say, boy, I'm not put camera up on man, me not in the problem.
But you don't have to put it on them. You can put it on yourself and just show what you're doing. You know, you don't have to do a video to show people. You know, just make it about you. Show them your daily lifestyle, how you live. You know, this is what I do. This is what I cook. You know, this is what my place is like. You know, this is my liberty. You know, just so you don't have to worry about anybody.
Well, sure,
if somebody say, yo, yeah, put the camera, just say, no, it's not on you, it's on me. You understand?
Okay.
So you cannot get your confidence to do it. Because I know them type of things, they kind of discourage you.
Yeah, but me go through the village still, you know, and videos on house, a place that I develop.
Yes. Yeah, you can do that and just give them a lifestyle, you know. Because you never show them you cook your Caesar rice. You should have a video, I cook your Caesar rice and I say, guys, this is how I cook my Caesar rice, you know.
But I can't do it in the kitchen now. What I do, one little plate when I can.
And nothing wrong. Anyway, you feel like comfortable doing it, you know, nothing is wrong, you know, I'm going to say.
Sometimes I want to go to bush to cook some food.
Well, you go to bush to cook some food?
Yes, and split up some fire stick.
Well, you go to bush and do that. Anyway, if you just go and do it, just create the content, them, you know. At least I'm telling you, no matter the views and what you get, you're grateful.
So when I do church now, I better have a longer video for the church sitting.
Yeah, not only church, just like your lifestyle.
More time I do church and show, you know.
Yeah, but every day, once I get up, start the video from there. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. Anyway, anytime you start it. You know, so if a man, you start from in the morning. You see me? They just break and tell them, so this is what you got to do now, such and such, you know. Then they do it by step. So you check it out for the whole day, you know.
I'm glad you talk with you, give me, you know, because you give me more knowledge.
Yeah.
And what we do my thing, you know. I'm glad for you, man.
Make it easy.
What happened to my friend, D Mango?
Oh, she's Africa build a mansion.
Okay, I see one place there where I live, you know. I see one thing with
them. I lie though, in your hat. Let me go step outside. Yes, guys. Yo, but not lie. Me a burn up in here. Watch this. This is my walk. You know me, I'm tall already, you know. And me have to bend down right now and step out. So you know, look. Man. You know, look. Still have to bend. See my knees them there? I bend. I come out. Woo. Well, that feel good. That feel good. Stand up straight a while ago, feel good. Yeah, I've been a while ago, wait there. I go take a shot, Daddy Irie.
Shot, that's 5 feet 5.
Yeah. I mean, you are 6'2".
And when you camera, you know, when you do edit and things on the TV.
Yeah. Editing, you can edit on your laptop or your phone. Same way.
Okay. But I have to send something from this to the laptop.
Yeah, remember I have the same memory card as well to write here.
Okay.
See there? See memory card there, sir?
Okay.
So it have memory card on it, you know? So
I can't, what I do, put the memory card in the
laptop. Or if you do it from a phone, you can do it from a phone.
Okay.
So either you can do it same way.
Okay.
You know, there's ways where you can do it, you know?
Thank you.
So I'm glad to know so well, you're all is well. You know, you're still there for your house to see.
I mash down them, I want to fix you up, but no money now run.
Wait, up here, sir?
Yeah, start mash you up.
Yeah. I see, man, you know. This is your wood?
No, I've been bridging them.
Okay. Oh, well, you know anything about
I want to fix part, I fix already, but money not done it.
That's what I say, just make the videos them, you know?
Yeah.
Make them over 20 minutes and longer.
Yeah, man, what do that?
And just be consistent every day.
Yeah.
You know? So that build up the watch time. So once that build up your watch time now.
Alright, like when I go for I have to do no live if I don't want.
Yeah.
But when I tell me say they want to see my music live.
Well, they can do that differently, you know, but forget the watch time, you need to make videos.
Okay.
So just make the videos them, and if you want to live, they can do live after, see me. But just make the videos them, so the videos them now. Once you get the watch time, then they can start to.
Oh, so we can do 20 minutes, but
yeah, I do it longer if you can. Longer the better.
Hour.
Yeah, longer the better. So with that now, you know, I'm gonna say you have over 1,000 subscribers already, you know. So just get the watch time, so you can get your little change coming in.
1,600 and
see there.
And
yeah.
700.
That's a lot of people, you know. That's a lot of people, you know. Cause
and then my friend, the white man.
Chris.
Come over there,
no Christmas list.
He come over there, but me
never there.
I want me come back now in my goat.
Yeah.
But Nigel helped me out, you know.
Yeah.
I come set up a little thing for me.
Yes.
So I look on a fridge, you know. A little TV. Get one stove. I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna get some 7-piece pot and sitting.
Okay. So you want one fridge now, one little fridge.
Yeah.
Cause in there is liquor, so you can eat one of them small liquor office fridge there.
Yeah, man. You need some help still. Right?
Yeah. Alright, guys. So guys, you see that Dietary, the man himself, you know, it's been a while, you know, we haven't seen him and see me now Dietary himself, you know, and you know, all thing goes already, you know, Dietary has go through his struggles and thing, you know, so big up Nigel, yeah, man, that they come here and try and give him a strength also as well too, so him got a stove as well too, so we give thanks, big up yourself, yeah, man, TV. Yes, guys, so you know, him saying I want a little fridge, you know, the little office fridge, because India is very, very small. You know, so the best we could have get him one of them small little office fridge there where he can store him with juice, and if he must store meat or fish when he catch it, you know. And what else did I say? What's the fridge that one?
You say more try get one little TV.
One little TV. Because in there
I want TV there, but it's grainy.
Oh. So you don't want a small 25-inch TV because India have no space.
No, you get one TV about that size, I'm good.
Yeah, that's about 25-30. Yeah, about 25-30 because India is very small. And him small. So him build the house as how him is, as him height. Look at my height over him. You know? So you have to go see, forget upon that height.
Yeah, man, you do a little bit that shot. You see?
So
yeah, man, I thank you for well not do for me still, you know. I know the found out upon Nigel and him not come for me and Come on Christmas link, you come over for me. And no Kino there, no, so if you can come for me too, and we are like on a look
Yeah,
for Kino.
come for him.
Thankful. For me video, no, not for mommy.
Tell them where your YouTube channel name.
Daddy Irie, man.
Daddy Irie.
Yes, on the beach.
Say name Daddy Irie on the beach.
Yes.
Say your YouTube channel called Daddy Irie on the beach. So if you can go over there and give him some more subscribers and encourage him same way,
Alright.
So it's called Daddy Irie on the beach. Tell him why you call it Daddy Irie on the beach.
Just true, many and daddy man still. But when see people come here, come look for me. What there are some people from America come here.
Come look for you.
They say they come 20 days. And they ask me, they say they don't know me. Then go down Bev and Son. They ask me. So what do me ask Bev and Son? The man thought, cost me and I go along from way, so me just walk him out.
Yeah. So Daddy Irie on the beach, and the reason why Daddy Irie have a song as well when name Daddy Irie on the beach.
Yeah.
With name on the beach.
Yeah.
On the beach.
Yes, on the beach.
How you go again on the beach?
On the beach, where me get me steam fish.
Yeah.
Out of sea, where me catch me fish.
Give it again.
Yes, on the beach, on the beach, where me get me steam fish. Out of sea, where me catch me fish, you see. Girl, where me love her, where they call her Ranjine. Born pon the land, tell me fishing pon the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. We walk on land, and know we swim up on the sea. Count from 1 to 1,000,000 and 3. On the beach, oh Lord. On the beach, oh yeah. Yes, on the beach, where me get me steam fish.
Oh.
Out the sea, where me get me fish, you see. Oh. Yes, that's how it going on. Me have it on YouTube, so you can see them song. Them. Me have a couple songs on YouTube, and me video them. So if you come on my little thing, we see some of me song them.
Alright, so that is Daddy Man. So guys, what I'm saying, go check out his YouTube channel, give him a couple of subscribers, everything goes right. So I want to get him his watch time, so he needs to make longer videos and he can go and watch, so build up him watch time.
I try to do some longer videos.
Yeah.
So he can get my watch time to get a little fun.
So that now can help him get some little funds to come in to help himself, because I just can't see him situation and the struggle, Jamaica. Right, the struggle is really severe.
I'm going, I'm 75 and now.
75 and going strong.
Yeah. So I still got firewood, I'm going to look firewood and when I say firewood, some people
fire stick.
They don't like the wood side,
so fire stick.
Yeah. So when you say firewood, a man out there sitting both wood and sitting. So when you say fire stick and done, you see me?
That is it.
Yeah, man. So people, some people will take word and turn it for them different.
It's Jamaica, that's how they create them stuff.
That's how them kind of Jamaican, them, well. You up there, they know anything,
Them slang.
Yeah, them good pan and thing, man.
Alright, so Daddy Irie, it goes already. We catch up then again, yeah?
Alright, so
you see, man.
give thanks to see the
So if anything comes through.
Talk about you, man. So I have a friend over here, so I don't see her for there and there. Come sometime, and sometime I don't see her.
So you don't know once anything
so
pop up?
So?
Yeah, but I go eat a fish down at Crab Rise.
Oh, Crab Rise?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a friend, man.
Yeah, man.
A man that know me, man.
Yeah,
so
man.
bless up yourself,
Alright.
So when I then you don't know my number.
Your number change?
I have 876 812.
Let me take it.
Alright.
Alright, so we link then, right?
Yeah, so if you call my phone, I can get back your number.
I call it now, so you can see the missed call.
If you lock off, I know you see it here.
We get the missed call message pop up, right?
Oh, okay. Let me see what. Let me see.
1
lock off then.
7
you lock off.
1.
Alright then, but me call it then, right?
Alright, bless up yourself, man. And God bless you. And if you get in touch with the mango, tell him I blessing to him, yeah?
Alright then, cool. So if anything come up, we'll link it,
yeah,
right?
part of Trenchtown there.
Trenchtown, yeah.
Where down?
No, man.
Past the police station.
You don't reach so far up.
I'm a friends up around the police station and the people on it from school again, see,
Oh, I'm there right on 3rd Street.
I pass the police station and go down to school.
Which school? Boys Town?
One of them school. When you say police station, that's how I walk, go down on the road.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Trenchtown School.
Yeah. I'm a friend.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright.
So let me say if anything come up, we'll come and check you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You short, yeah?
Just give me a knock.
Alright then.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Take it easy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is Daddy Irie, that is Daddy Irie himself, you know, so yeah man, so we give thanks. So I'm gonna check and see what I go on now from the swim around. You know it goes there. So back here at Cab Rise, the fire is blazing. So them type of pot here. It's not a normal frying pot this at not a normal.
Different from the rest of it.
Different, yes.
On the angle. Asian days.
Asian days, oh.
Asian days pattern.
Yes, I want to create it, or somebody make it for you.
Somebody make it for you.
Yeah.
You know, I see my butter back in the real.
It's like put them from way back in the African days.
No, I see my butter back in the real.
So you're the only person that pot here?
Supposed to right now on the beach.
Jeez. On the beach. So see the guys are 2 fish me ago, because I tell so one for the work, so we get 1 mini and 1 biggie. 1 mini and 1 biggie. And get the thing up on you know. Keep the fire blazing, so like I hear the
fire blaze.
What kind of wood this right? Sorry, what kind of stick this?
Mango.
Mangrove.
Yeah.
So this is the mangrove fire stick. Correction guys, so you're so quick, I have to correct myself a while ago. You cannot say wood, you have to say fire stick.
Yeah.
This is how they do it here. So guys, I say you see the fish are going to fry. So you know the thing there, so I'll go and check in and watch what I want. Because I'm hungry and my appetite is so open right now for this swim around. So open. Another day before this at
the fish fry.
The fish fry.
Yeah, this here is fry the fish.
So you see there, it's a makeshift thing.
Yeah. Everything made.
Everything original. You want to make sure you get the distance as well, you know. You know you're going the fire blazing and can't be too close.
Yeah.
You must add on something on it.
Yeah.
Tell them again which part this place located.
This is Cobra, you know.
Yeah.
At Elsha Beach, you know. Right in front of the pole, you know.
Yeah.
I will call it Tower.
Tower.
Yeah.
Right in the front.
Yeah. And this is Rogo. Chef, you know. International, you know.
Rogo that.
Yeah.
You see me?
All the time. It's called as Rogo. Anybody from the beach, carry to Rogo.
I mean, our roots virgin where sell roots in Trenchtown, you know, Rogo as well, you know, Dr. Rogo, you know.
Yeah.
So in sell the roots and you do swim around.
The seafood.
Yeah, the seafood. Alright, so the seafood doctor, Dr. Rogo with the roots and Dr. Seafood Rogo.
Keep it like that. To the world.
To the world.
Yeah man, right now.
Right now, that's
live. Thick, fresh and nice.
And that's how the fish are going right now.
Fresh and nice, that's how we do it. Yeah, and they do it in yourself.
Festival.
Yeah, see the door there?
Alright.
That's the door make out there. You see festival? Yeah, I do that.
Jamaican special, not, you know?
Everything special and different. Yeah, one of a kind, you and me. Want to put the fire now to keep the fire look together?
Keep the iron.
We'll tap a look at iron right and you see flare up.
Yes,
gone up again. So it's got it up and running. Yeah.
They keep it blazing.
Real chef.
How long have you been a chef over here?
Well, I came to count the month of years, holy.
A long time been over here?
Long time I've been over here.
At this spot?
No, more than one spot, you know. We move around as a chef more time, because you know I say things.
Yeah.
Right in a couple years, we second yourself for now. And we now move, you see?
Yeah, so you find here out of everything and just come back to the right here.
So. You see me? Say,
you feel at home.
Still have you ever come from the place you're coming? No?
You have to have somewhere you call home.
Yeah.
So this is the way you feel comfortable at home?
At home, at all times.
That's the way the food is going to taste best for you.
Yes, I think it is so nice. Like comfortable cooking it, you go for love and passion. Like the food always nice and tasting good.
Alright.
Get up a comment on it.
Yeah. See, that's why I keep on forwarding right here.
Oh no man, the food nice.
Yeah.
Have a choice.
No choice. No choice.
Just keep it crazy. And natural fire. They know say no gas no make everything.
No gas.
Real thing again.
Mangrove.
Yeah.
Fire stick.
Real authentic food.
Yeah.
And we are back with the people that go up and cook them food. And all the people just gas them are using.
Yeah.
Fire stick is amazing.
Mango fire stick.
Right now.
Yeah. So keep that blazing, guys. So make him go. So when you go and give some minutes, go and fry.
Yeah.
Go and look outside on the seaside.
Yeah.
And come catch him back again, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the thing there. So this is how I go on. So yeah, the seaside lookout. So that is the view, you know, that is the view that I'm getting right now, what I'm showing you, that is the view here at Cab Rise, you know, this is the view right here. Alright guys, see the thing there, see there's up and running. Up and running. We're gonna have my pepper sauce. Let's put some of this on it. Decorate the thing. Sure. It's time to go dive in. Festival. Thing I want. I like to put the festival inside of the sauce. Hot. You know? I got what I feel for today. It's been a while, so I feel for some fish, so yeah. See the steam? Wow. The steam coming out. That's the steam there is not now. Nah, like fish are hot.
Oh Lord.
So because it just come out of the fire, it's hot. Yeah. Another thing, guys, I'm not going to bite my tongue on camera. I'm going to take a bite for you from the festival. Now, one bite. From the fish. Look at the steam. Wow. Hot. So peace. Yeah, showing I'm finished. Alright guys, so I finished eat. Belly is full now. Trust me. I finished 8 and I sit down again, I couldn't even move because my belly full up. So now I'm gonna head back in, you know, so I give thanks. I thank you guys so much. So catch you tomorrow. Belly full. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.